Check it out. Check the mic. Check the mic. Check the mic. I'm gonna have some coffee while you check the mic, Doubles. Mm-hmm. Yummy. Yummy. How we doing? We live? Oh, we live. Doubles, are we live? Are we live? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Test, test, test. Okay, you got all the socials? Yeah, all right. Yo, what's up? What's up? It's Coach Nick Money in the house, folks. And it's another episode of Power Play. Let's go ahead and jump into a game right off the bat. Get some folks in here. Let's share it up. Let's share it up. Let's share it up. Let's go ahead and share it up. 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 Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's share it up. Let's go. All right. Let's get a share party. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're not subscribed to the... And we're also on x.com, aka Twitter, at Coach Nick Money. On x.com, it's 24 hours a day, all kinds of financial news, and then pre-market, regular hours, and after hours, Monday through Friday, anything and everything having to do with small caps and micro caps at Coach Nick Money. Doubles at Coach Nick Money. Right, Doubles? At Coach Nick Money. And, of course, we're also on TikTok at DBLNix. DBLNICKS, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money. And this is another episode of Power Play, where we basically go ahead and wait for Power Hour that starts at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is when the second wave of volume generally hits the market, and more likely to have some more parabolic runners. So what we're doing right now is we're sharing from our private Discord on the left-hand side of the screen, right over here, right over here, we're sharing our custom scanner, one of our custom scanners, one of many custom scanners that are part of our Discord community. This is the Market Mover Scanner, and this scanner lists all the top gainers. So what we're going to do during the power portion of the show's called Power Play, is we're going to review stocks having to do with the potential moves during Power Hour. We're going to take a look at the market moves, see which ones look good for a possible move during Power Hour. So that's the power portion of it. The play portion of it is we know that the stock market right now is a little bit slow because it's between early morning when it's really busy and Power Hour. So what we do is we go ahead and check out the stocks, and then after we check out the stocks, we go ahead and play some Fortnite and get some dubs for the community. Why not? Doubles, right? Get some victory royales for the community, let the stocks simmer on high heat, and then go back and check them out. Check them out again. Make sure that they're cooking well and see which ones look like they're ready to be picked, if you will. You know what I mean? Doubles. You know what I'm talking about? So that's what Power Play is all about. And, of course, we also have a link in the description and in the pinned comments for a 4-day trial for $9.99 for our Discord community, which will entitle you not only... Oh, hold on. Come on now. Come on now. Geez, Doubles. I had to close the distance on this guy. All right, let's get it started again. Let's go. Let's get right back into it. Let's get a share party going on. Let's share it up. So, as we were saying, the link is in the description and the pinned comment for a 4-day trial. A 4-day trial for our Discord for $9.99. It'll give you access to all the custom scanners, early watch list, like, for example, the early watch list that we put out 2 days ago on QNCX at 19 cents before it went up to over $1 today, right? It went to about $1 today. $1. Yeah, $1. Right. And it went up 400+% yesterday. So, can I just see what's going on over there? Can you yep. Click it. Good. All right, let's get a share party going on. We got NCI currently that we're looking at forming a curve. It's sub VWAP. NCI up 91%. Low floater, NCI, low floater, 91. What is it? NCI, 88%. 88%. Let's go ahead and get a share party going on. Let's get to the first 100 and go ahead and jump into another game. And when we get some more folks in here, we'll start doing some technical analysis of these stonks. Let's go, baby. Let's go. That coffee is fantastic, yo. Fantasmic. QNCX, the big runner from yesterday. The big runner from yesterday is currently up 82%, 96 cents. It is a 50 million float stock, and it already has 631 million shares exchanging hands today. Yesterday, there was well over 1 billion shares exchanging hands yesterday. A lot more choppy today because it's a continuation play, but it's still up 82%. Yesterday was well over 420%, well over 420%. And, of course, we also had the illustrious Serengeti specialist herself, DBL Bombs, do a video on QNCX on YouTube at Coach Money. At Coach Money. So make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Let's go. 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 All right, we're gonna try this again, doubles. All right. We're gonna try it again. We're gonna go ahead and try it again. I tell you. Oh, this is a surfy now. We're gonna do the surf thing this time. All right. All right. Let's see where we're going. Where we're going. All right. I could deal with this POI. I could deal with that POI. That's where I usually land. That's where I usually go, doubles. Let's see if QNCX is moving. Let's put that up on here. QNCX moving on up. Trying to break that $1 bill. $1. $1. Come on. Let me land. Let me at him. Come on. Here we go. All right. Doubles. Doubles. All right, we're landing doubles. Man, Crapola. Crappy loot. Okay. All right. We don't have great loot, doubles. We don't have good loot. Yep. All right. All right. That's a little better. All right. Somebody's landing over here. Get out of here, bro. Late to the game. Get out of here, bro. Okay, a shotgun. Finally. Finally a shotgun, bro. Alright, let's get some shield in here and let's partake in this battle royale. Let's get a share party. Let's get to the first 100. There's a lot of shooting going on over here. I don't know where they're at, but I hear a lot of shooting. All right. All right, let's get this going, doubles. Let's see. Let's see what's going on over here. Why does the game look like this, bro? You see it? See my screen? What? I don't know. My screen don't look too good. Well, now it's okay. My screen was like kind of fuzzy. I don't know. It's okay now. All right, there's some shooting going on over here. Oh, we got an enemy nearby. Crazy. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. What the heck is this thing? Oh, I don't want that. Alright. Alright, doubles. Let's get that share party. Let's get to the first 100, folks. The first 100. Alright, what do you think, doubles? Should we get to the first 100? The first 100. Alright. Alright, doubles. Alright. Jetpack, yeah, we want that. We won't stat. The impulse grenades, I kind of feel like I want them. I think I want them, bro. Yeah, I do. Nah, too many people here, man. Get out of here, bro. All right, doubles. Let's go over here, doubles. Why not, bro? Where did that shooting come from? Oh, right there. Alright, let's get out of here, bro. Let's get out of here, bro. Let's get out of here. What happened? Say again? Oh, RL Tech, okay. BYND, okay. As soon as we're done with the game, we'll go ahead and check out Beyond Meats. Beyond the Meat. It's a crowd favorite, Beyond the Meat. A lot of folks like it. They like it. Yes, sir. Alright, let's get in. Let's get in. Let's get in. Let's get in. I think I should take this fellow over here. See if they're still around and partake in the festivities on this guy right here. Where's he at? Where's he at? Oh, they're down below. This guy's down below. I don't have a lot of heals, but I'm gonna try, bro. You know what? Nah, I'm not gonna mess with it, bro. I'm not gonna mess with it because I don't really know where he's at. I don't know where he's at, so I'm not gonna mess with it. Let's go down here real quick. What the heck? Oh, it's a heart shape, dude. Do you see this? Yeah, well, you know, it's Valentine's Day, bruh. That's crazy. That's cray-cray. Ain't that cray-cray, bro? It's cray-cray. It's cray-cray, bro. Somebody right there, bro. Let's get in. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Thanks for the repost. Thank y'all. funky shapes are cray-cray, bro. What is that right there, bro? Alright, let's see what's going on. We're gonna put Beyond Meat over here. BYND. And then we're gonna play out the game. There's still there's 2 other enemies left, right, Doubles? Let me move. Right over here, bro. Where are they? Right here. Baby, like that, bruh. 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 Yo, 3 in a row, kid. 3 in a row, bro. 2 yesterday and 1 more today. Undefeated. 100%. 100%. What's up, bro? You can't rotate out the storm? What's up, bro? What's up, bro? You don't know how to do the heart? I know how to do the heart. I know how to do the whole. You know what I'm saying? Doubles. Ha ha. Ha ha. DXST. Let's take a look at Beyond Meat first. All right, so Beyond Meat is currently 71 cents. Let's get a Fibonacci retracement. It was at the oversold level on the RSI. Now it's moving up, so it's taking in some volume. It needs more volume. 90 MA is below the volume weighted average of 72 cents. So what we want to see is the 90 MA start to curl and move upward, baby. Curl and move upward and get above the 72 cent level, which would be a significant resistance area for the volume weighted average. And let's get a Fibonacci retracement done for Beyond Meat. Beyond Meat. Let's go ahead and create the key levels of support and resistance for that particular ticker. Let's go ahead and do it right over here, right over there. All right, so here's some key levels of support. Right here at 70 cents. It's sitting just above that at 71 cents. Resistance would be 72 cents, the volume weighted average. Significant resistance at 73. And then at 76 would be another key level. We need to see some volume come in for this ticker and show it some volume love. I hope you have some success, some great success with it, my dear friend RL Tech Exchange. Let's go, baby. Make a lot of money because I am Coach Nick Money. Doubles. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Yeah. All right, let's go to NCI. NCI. Let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at it. Let's refresh the screen, refresh it, because it's going a little bit slow right now. Going a little bit slow. All right, so it's trying to form a cup and handle, but it's sub VWAP. So the key area that it needs to break out of is $1.63. You can see the volume weighted average right over there. So if we get the graffiti pencil activated, Dun, 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 dun. Yes, sir. We would put it right at the volume weighted average. We need to see the 9 EMA curl up and break through that. RSI is neutral at this point. Volume candles are relatively low, but that's to be expected because we still have an hour and 4 minutes before the power hour happens. Let's get a share party going on. We got over 300 folks. Let's get 420 for the memes, baby. Let's go. Share it up. 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 I got to take a look at QNCX, man. That stock is off the charts. QNCX. This stock went bonkers. Currently up 47%, but it was up as high as close to 100%, I think, earlier today. Yesterday, it was up well over 420%. And of course, we gave it as an early watch list 2 days ago for yesterday before that illustrious parabolic run, if you will, doubles. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So QNCX pulling back. 9 EMA looks like it wants to cross underneath the VWAP. We want to see this price action bounce above the volume weighted average. We could see that the RSI has moved to oversold, but it is still up 49%. Continuing to move up since yesterday. Let's see what happens with it. It is pulling back right now, and it does look bearish at this moment, but hopefully some volume will come and bless it. Bless the volume. Bless the volume. DXST. DXST. Let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at this ticker. All right, so this ticker is a little penny stock joint, okay? A little penny stock joint, a little bit. It's above the volume weighted average. The 9 EMA, the volume weighted average is right over here, and the 9 EMA is just above it. It's stacked pretty tightly, and it is in a bullish pattern. RSI is moving upward. We do have green candles. It is a 25 million float stock, and it already has 133 million in volume. It's currently up 98% as it keeps moving upward. Let's see what happens with it, but it looks like it's getting parabolic a little bit. Let's see what happens with it. Bless you with volume, baby. Bless you with volume. RENX, let's check it out. RENX, let's take a look at it. Yo, 3 victory royales for the indelible patrons, baby. 3 in a row. 2 yesterday and 1 more today. I'm just saying, doubles. This is what the indelible tribe deserves. They deserve nothing but the best caviar, baby. Hey, doubles, did you hear that McDonald's was doing something about caviar?
What?
Yeah, bro. There was like some kind of an article that they're doing like caviar on something. Yeah, is that crazy? Yeah, bro. I'm telling you. I don't know if it was a meme but yeah. I'm telling you, bruh. Mm-hmm.
McDonald's having caviar before GTA 6.
Yo, indelible tribe. If you heard about the caviar and McDonald's, explain what's going on with that, because I need to know. RENX, by the way, is selling off. It's currently up 50%, but you could see right over here that the RSI is oversold right over here, and you could see that the 9 EMA is just nosediving away from the volume weighted average. Very bearish pattern. We need to see a break of this downtrend right over here. So if we go over here, we need to see this downtrend break, and we need to see a curvature of the 9 EMA. And if it does curve, then the next issue is if it makes it towards the volume weighted average, which is approximately 30 cents right over there. That's going to be a significant resistance area. But right now, it's bad enough that it's crashing, thrashing, moving downward. It needs to curl, baby, curl. Look at this RSI. It is deep in the oversold territory. I don't like that, doubles. I don't like it. Should I take a look at VRTL? I mean, it's $102. Why not? We'll just do it because it's a mover. It's up 42%, but again, it's just a very pricey stonk. But VRTL, let's take a look and see what it looks like. And you could see it's moving on relatively light volume. You could see that simply by the fact that the candles are very choppy. It is set up in a bullish type of a setup with the 9 EMA above the volume weighted average. The RSI is moving upward, but it just lacks volume and it's kind of expensive. It's an ETF, so you could assume that the float is pretty significant in size, but you know what? It's up 42%. So we'll just mention it. Not the type of ticker that we typically mess with. MNTN, breaking the volume weighted average, currently up 40%. The shares are trading higher after the company reported better than expected Q4 financial results and issued FY26 sales guidance above estimates. So a lot of positive news on MNTN. It is a 35 million float stock, so the float is heavy. The prices are on the higher side at $11.39. So it's a heavier priced stock with a heavier float, and it only has 6 million in volume. So that always kind of scares me, devils. You know what I'm saying? But the volume candles are significant right now, and the RSI is very much moving towards overbought and possibly needing a pullback soon. RSI is all the way up here. 9 EMA is piercing through the volume weighted average. That's also a bullish signal, but the float, man, it just scares me. That float scares me. The lack of volume scares me. You know what I'm saying, doubles? You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm saying? It kind of scares me. I'm a little scared. Let's go take a look at DXST, see what it's doing. DXST, let's take a look at it. Oh my, 37 cents. 37 cents. It's pushing. It's pushing. Night Rogue, what's up? What's up? He wants RENX. Let's go check out RENX after we take a look at DXST. 37 cents. 37 cents. It's going parabolic, baby. Parabolic. Let's do the Fibonacci retracement on DXST. DXST. Let's do it. 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 It's holding support at 35 cents, holding support at 35 cents. Next resistance area would be around 39.40 cents. If it can break through, then we might have a play for the $0.50. It needs volume, though. It's got some volume right now. Volume is tapering off somewhat, but we got some nice green volume candles. RSI is definitely moving into the overbought area. It still has some potential room in that overbought area, but if it gets deeper into this overbought area, then we have a situation that it's overheating a little bit. Let's get a share party. Let's get to 500, 600. We got 461 folks in the stream. 3 victory royales in 2 days in a row for the Indelible Tribe. That's what our team deserves, baby. That's what our family deserves. The familia, the Indelibles, bro. The familia. Mwah, 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 to the family, bro. Right, doubles? Right? Mwah, mwah. Like that, bro. Like that. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm saying? Let's get a share party. Let's get the 500. Let's get to 500. We're watching DXST after its nice little parabolic movement. Parabolic. We're sharing with you our custom scanners from the Discord, the private Discord. Our private Discord, folks, on the left-hand side, right over here. Y'all can see it. Y'all can see it right there, right there. Yes, sir. This is one of our multiple custom scanners that we have in the Discord. We also have the breakout scanner, which is a scanner that tells us any particular stock that looks like they're getting ready to make a move, right? As well as a bunch of news search features, news for the entire stock market. We have a chuck full of information. We also have research tools so that you can search information about stocks that are running. Here's the hyperlinks for the particular stocks that we can click into to get information about why the stocks are moving, whether or not there's shelf registrations that could potentially cause a dilution, and so on and so forth. And then, of course, we have search features for news pertaining to stocks that you're interested in, that you want to research. And, of course, there's a whole bunch of educational content. And we also share with you our information on stocks that we're looking at and that we're thinking about entering and why we're thinking about entering it as well. All of this is educational content that is primo and helpful. So if you want to go ahead and check out the Discord for yourself, we made it very simple. We gave you a 4-day trial for $9.99. The link's in the description and in the pinned comment. Go ahead and click it and let us know that you saw us on the stream. Make sure you're also following us on YouTube at Coach Dick Money. At Coach Dick Money, and set the notifications on. Make sure you comment as well, right? And share. Why not? Why not? Right? Make sure that you go ahead and set the notifications on, because we also have the morning show called Microcap Mornings with my illustrious co-host as the star of the show, the one and only DBL Nix in the house, a.k.a. the Rainmaker, baby. The Rainmaker and his trusty companion, the one and only, the Serengeti Specialist. Yes, you know her as the ABCD Huntress, the Huntress of all parabolic plays. Yes, you know her as the Serengeti Specialist, or a.k.a. DBL Mom's in the house. Hey! Yes, sir. It's not a party unless you got the Serengeti Specialist hunting down parabolic plays for the Indelible Tribe. So what they do is at 8:20 in the morning, Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday, all the way into the open of the regular hours. They are hunting down all the parabolic plays. So make sure you're following on YouTube at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money, and you have your notifications on so you don't miss another episode. Come on now, baby. Let's go. Okay. Rogue wants RENX. Let's go check it out. RENX. RENX needs to break this downtrend. RSI is definitely in the oversold area. We need to see some volume. Hopefully some volume will come in. There's still 53 minutes before power hour. Hopefully there'll be some volume blessed on RENX. But right now we're going to go back to DXST. DXST is currently the leading gainer. DXST, it hit 37 cents. It hit 37 cents. Now it was as high as 39 cents. It's pulled back somewhat, back down to 37 cents. Resistance is right around 39 cents. It'll have another resistance area at around 40 cents. Hopefully this is a micro pullback and it's going to keep pushing and moving on up. That's what we're hoping for. We'll keep an eye on it. We'll put it up here and watch it. Why not, doubles? Why not, doubles? Why not? Why not? All right, let's go take a look at a different ticker right now. Let's go to NCI. NCI was also a previous leading gainer. Let's take a look at it. This particular stock, as you can see on our scanner, right over here, you can see it right over here. It is a micro float stock at 480,000 shares. That is a very low float, and it has had 55 million in volume. So the volume rotation over the float is massive. It's currently up 95%, but it's certainly pulled back significantly. Price action is below the volume weighted average. The volume weighted average is currently at $1.63. We could see that the price right now is at about $1.54. The 9 EMA is below the volume weighted average. That's usually a signal that the price action is bearish. We want to see a curl upward of the 9 EMA and the price action. It tried to curl over here, then it rejected. That's not unusual, but hopefully it'll curl again and have enough volume to break through the 163 resistance barrier. We need to see the RSI start showing some kind of a signal that it's becoming bullish. We need to see the RSI move towards overbought to signal that it's ready to make a move. But right now the volume candles are low. And again, we still have 51 minutes before power hour. So I'm not sweating it at this point. We just need to see some volume come in, baby. We need some volume. Let's take a look at HTLM, baby. HTLM. Isn't that like code stuff, doubles, right? HTLM. Yo, what's the HTLM, bro? Whatever. You say tomato, I say tomato. Leave me alone, doubles. Leave me alone, okay? You know everything. You know everything, doubles. You know everything, you know? You do know everything, by the way. You do. You do. All right, we're going to put a little Fibonacci retracement so that we have some key levels of support and resistance. The price action on HTLM is quite bearish with the 9 EMA underneath the volume weighted average. We need to see this pull upward. We don't have a lot of volume on this particular stock. It is a 35 million float stock with only 7 million in volume. It's up 40%, but you can see that the RSI is neutral and you can see that it lacks volume. So, you know what I mean? If you ain't got the volume, what am I looking at you for? What am I looking at you for? Let's go back to DXST. DXST moving 107%. Doing a micro pullback. Come on now. Come on. We're going to keep an eye on decent holding, and see if it can go parabolic. We're at 628, folks. Let's get a share party. Let's get to 700, 800, 1,000. Let's get to 1,000. And let's go get a victory royale again for the squadron, for the indelible tribe, baby. Baby. Make sure you're following us on x.com at Coach Nick Money. Facebook, Instagram, Threads, Twitch at Coach Nick Money. TikTok at DBL Nicks. At DBL NICKS, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money. Dun, 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 dun. Yo, wait a minute, bro. Wait a minute, don't sing the song yet. Now sing it, ready? Money. One more time. Ready? Hold on. Everybody in the audience, let's go. Money. Ooh. Oh my goodness gracious. Holy moly. Migration, bro. Migration. Woo! Baby. Let's get that share party. Let's get to 700. Let's get a victory royale, but I gotta like ready up in order to be able to get that victory royale. Don't I, doubles? I do, right? I keep thinking the game's ready to roll, and it's not ready to roll. We're watching DXST currently up 115%. We needed to do an ABCD pattern. A to B, B to C, C to D. Come on, baby. 37 cents is a significant resistance point for it. 37, 39. Those are key resistance areas. If they can break it, if this can become a bottom tail green, we're watching you. Come on, you're trying to grow up and become a bottom tail green. We want bottom tail green. Green bottom tail. Green bottom tail. Yo. Oh, what happened here? What happened? What happened? There we go. Bottom tail green. I don't like the way this thing's been like acting up, you know, like since they made changes to it, doubles, you know? Yeah. It's still pulling back. All right, if it can hold 35 cent, it's holding 35 cent. It's trying to break that 37 cent. I'm going to watch it, doubles. I'm going to watch it, bro. I'm going to watch it. I'm going to have some coffee too, doubles. Coffee. You know why I'm having coffee, doubles? Because you could tell I'm low energy right now. I don't have a lot of energy, right? I'm very calm. I'm very cool. Collective 38 cents. 121%. Oh, it's testing. It's testing.
DXST.
Testing. Is this stonk up or what? That's not what the song says, doubles. It's not what the song says, doubles. 133%. Uh-oh, 40 cents. It broke the 40 cents resistance, 39 cent resistance. It broke it, doubles. It broke it. You own it. It broke it. You own it. It broke it. You own it, doubles. Doubles. Woo-hoo. Woo-wee. Look at that, man. Look at me, bro. Look at me, bro. Look at my talent, bro. Come on, stonk. 41 cents, bro. 41 cents, bro. Come on now. Keep moving. 139%. Let's go, baby. Come on, 42 cent. Come on, 42 cent. 42 cent. 42 cent. And as I'm like, 42 cents. Let's go, baby. Let's go. We're definitely getting another victory royale, bro. We're definitely getting another one, bro. We're definitely getting another one, bro. You know why I say that, bro? Because I just feel it in my bones. The stonks are moving. The stonks are growing. 42 cents. Where is this clown, bro? How was he invisible, bro? How was that guy invisible? Did you see that, bro? How did he go? How did this guy get invisible, bro? No, bro. No, bro, no. And that's not it. Maybe, but usually you would see like the, you know, like the body and, you know, you would see it, bro. You know what I'm saying, bro? You know what I'm saying, bro? I don't know. That's kind of weird, right? That was weird, right? All right. All right. Oh, I lost my sword, bro. All right, bro. I got you, bro. I know you want to shoot at me. I got it, bro. There you go, bro. Merry Christmas, bro. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, bro. Merry Christmas to you. I showed you some love, bro. I showed you some axe whacking. Axe whacking, bro. I waxed you. I whack-a-lacked you. How did it feel? Was it good for you? It was great for me. Let's get a share party. Could you keep an eye on DXST for me, doubles? Can you? Can you let me know what's going on? Could you let me know what's going on over there? I just want to, like, do some crack-a-lacking over here, you know? Show some love to my enemies over here. Where they at? Right there is an enemy. That sucker's slow, bro. over here somewhere. He's in the building right there, I think. He's got to come out to play at some... Oh, there he goes. Bro, come on, bro. You know what? Forget it. I'm not going to waste my energy on this guy. Not going to waste my energy on this guy, bro. Not going to do it. Not going to do it. I'm almost out of ammo, you know? Not going to do it. Not going to do it. Not going to. What is this? Is this shotgun? It is a shotgun. Bro, I never got a gold sovereign shotgun. I never had that, bro. Wow, wow. Somebody's landed. Bye-bye, fool. Bye-bye, fool. Bye-bye, fool. Alright. Somebody's here. Anybody home? Anybody want to play with the coach? Come on now. What do you think, Doubles? Anybody? Somebody. Scream!
Somebody scream!
Come on now. Doubles. Double trouble, bro. Well, let's get a little rifty poo. Why not, bro? Can we do that? Why am I lagging, bro? Come on, man. What's going on here? What's going on over here? Alright. That guy was over here, bro. Remember? He's probably not here now, though. He was hiding like crazy. Like cray-cray, bro. He was hiding like cray-cray. Let's get a share party. Let's get to 1,000. Oh, my. Doubles. Oh, migration. What's going on over here? 45 cent. 45 cent. 162%. DXST. Let the Discord know what we're doing today. Let them know, DBLs. Let them know, bruh. Let them know, bruh. Let them know. Let them know. Oh, look at here, Doubles. Ooh, look at that, bro. Oh, operation. Operation, bro. I don't know what to say, bro. I feel kind of shamexy. You know what, bro? I'm gonna take my little soupy soup, bro. I'm gonna keep some of these little heals here. You know what I'm saying, bro? Right? Why not, bro? Why not, bro? I ordered a jetpack, Doubles. How come I didn't get a jetpack, bro? I didn't get a jetpack. Let's get a share party. Let's get to 1,000. We're almost there. We're at 900. 900. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Anything good? I can't believe they brought the bushes, bro. They put the bushes back, bro. Ain't that cray-cray, bro? Ain't that cray-cray, bro? That's crazy, right? They brought the bushes back. Why not? Why not? Wow. Wow. All right, doubles. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Wow, that was one hell of a run, man. 162% with DXST. QNCX, the big runner from yesterday, still making some noise, trying to come back up again. It's trying, bruh. What do I do here? What do I do, bro? What do I do? Do I do this? I think I should, bro. Yeah, let's do this, bro. Let's do this. Because I need something for distance, you know what I mean? Alright, alright. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Where are the critters, bro? Bro, we're waiting for the situation to change where we know where the zone's at, you know? Where's the zone? They're shooting over there. I know that. Shooting over there. I don't see nobody in this POI. I don't know if the shooting's coming from the POI or if it's over there, way over there, you know? I don't know. I don't see nobody on that side right there. I don't see nobody. I don't know, Doubles. I don't know what to say. We'll check it out. We'll see. We're in a pretty decent spot right now. We'll know where the zone's going to close. Let's get that share party. We're almost at 1,000. 1,000. HTML trying to move back up 38%. 3 million float, only 4 million in volume. Very light volume, but it is up 38%. HTLM, baby. And you call it what? HTL? What's the other one? What's HTML?
Yeah.
Oh wow, HTML is for the coding, and HTLM is the stock. How confusing! How confusing, Doubles? How confusing! How confusing that might be to the general population. You know what I'm saying, bro? Kind of confusing. I would say it's confusing, Confucius. It's Confucius. All right, let's get this. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Uh-huh. All right, Doubles. We're moving. We're grooving. We're baking. We're shaking. We're baking. We're baking, bro. We're shake. Oh, enemy right there, bro. See? Where'd he go? Right there, bro. I feel like I should partake in the festivities with this guy. I feel like I should take him out. I just don't have a clear shot on him. I don't have a clear shot on him. I don't know, but right now, I'm gonna chill. What is this? What the heck is that, bro? I don't know. I'm not interested, bro.
No fighting bubbles.
Somebody's shooting nearby. He's right there, bro. He was shooting at somebody. I don't know. I don't know what it is, Doubles. I don't know, bro. I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna leave it alone, Doubles. I don't want it. I don't know what it is, because I don't know what it is. I don't want to figure it out, because I don't want to give it my position, bro. But I know that there's an ABCD pattern with DXST. Come on, baby. I need you to run again. Let's get the 1100, folks. Let's get some energy in here. Energy, RENX moving 61%. QNCX, the big runner from yesterday, over 400% runner yesterday, trying to make its way back up. It flushed a little bit, but now it's up 42%. Doubles, 42%. All right, all right. How many folks are left? 10, bro. 9 enemies. 9 enemies, bro. 9 enemies, bro. All right, okay, all right, okay. Okay, all right, okay. Okay, all right, okay. You're mad. Come on now. Come on, DXST. Come on, make a higher day, bruh. Come on now. We need you to go higher. I need you to go higher. 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 Ooh, you know what? I might just... I don't know what this thing is. Oh, it left, bro. Whatever it was, it left, bro.
Oh, now you want crack.
Yeah, because I was trying not... You know what I mean, bro? Come on, bro. Leave me alone, Doubles. Leave me alone, Doubles. I don't want to hear it. I don't care, bro. I don't care about no stinking bubble. I don't know what it is, and I don't care. I don't care, Doubles. I don't care, bro. But I don't, bro. I don't. I'm just saying. Because no me problemo. No me problemo. No me importa. Look, there's an enemy right there, bro. Man, I wish I had a jetpack. I'd land on that fella. Big time. I would land on him. But instead, I'll just hang out over here and see where he goes. Wow, man. Dude, there is a person with a medallion nearby, bro. Right there. He's right there, bro. And I can't shoot because if I shoot, I'm going to give up my position to this guy. You know what I mean? So I'm just going to sit tight. Sit tight. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Sometimes you just got to be tactical, bruh. Strategic. There's another enemy right there. Look at that. Look at that, bro. Look at that. Man, all these guys are wide open, too. But I got this guy behind me, and I can't take that chance, bruh. Let's get in a share party. Let's get to 1,200. We're at 1,100. Let's go. Come on, DXST. Curl, baby, curl. Somebody's fighting over there, bro. They're fighting. They're fighting, bro. They are fighting like a Dickens, bro. Whoever was behind me has got to move, bro. Well, they're not behind me now. There we go. Gotta go, boys! Gotta go, boys! See you later! See, I messed around, and I paid for it, bro. You caught that, right? I messed around, and I freaking paid for it. If I had that... Will you leave me alone with the freaking bubble? Leave me alone, Doubles. Leave me alone. What happened? I know, I see him. Leave the Coachmeister alone. Leave me alone, Doubles. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh, look at it. Look how good I look, baby. Look at me. Look. All right, Doubles. Everything looks beautiful nowadays. You know what I'm saying? Everything looks particularly pretty right now. You know what I mean, Doubles? Everything looks particularly pretty. Let's go. Up to the top. Let's go. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. What's going on over here? Yeah. Let's go. How many enemies are there right now? I got myself 2 other enemies over here. 2 enemies. Dos enemies. Dos. Dos your partner, bruh. I don't know where they're at, though. I don't see them. You see them, Doubles? I don't see them. I don't see them. I don't see them. Where? There's... Nope, that's not one of them. Doubles, do you see him? He took my position, bruh. All right, bro. All right, bro. There's an enemy right over here, bro. This guy's a problem. Where are they, bro? This guy's annoying, bro. Let's go, baby. All right. All right. 1v1, bro. Oh, no. Come on, get in, get in, get in, get in. No, no, no. Dude, it's not letting me out, bro. I'm going to lose the stupid game. Did you see that? It wouldn't let me go through the window. It didn't let me bust through the window. Come on, bro. That was corny, bro. That was corny, bro. Yeah, okay, okay. All right, whatever. DXST holding support at 40 cents. Nice little run to 45 cents. Couldn't break the resistance. Couldn't break the resistance at 47 cents. We got over 1,200 folks, bro. Over 1,200 folks. Let's get a share party. Let's get a share party. Let's get for 1,500, 2,000. Today I say we get 2,000. What do you think? Let's do it. 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 All right. Pullback. DXST pulls back after parabolic run. Pulls back after parabolic run to support. Pulls back to support. Pulls back to support after parabolic run, baby. Can it give us a round two? Can it give us a round two? NCI. Let's take a look at it, doubles. NCI. NCI is under VWAP. 9 EMA is pointing downward. RSI is neutral, but it's okay. We still got 24 minutes before the power hour and volume coming back into the market. So hopefully it will get blessed with volume. It is a low floater, 480,000 shares, very low float, and it's already had 57 million volume, currently up 87%. RENX for Rogue, RENX for Rogue. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. RENX. Come on, doubles. RENX. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. It broke the downtrend, doubles. RSI is moving up from the oversold area. It's going to need a lot more volume than that. Currently up 57%. 9 EMA is below the volume weighted average. Significant resistance at 30 cents where the volume weighted averages. We'll see what happens with RENX. MNTN. Darn it. There we go. MNTN Inc., baby, up 41%. Broke the volume weighted average form day cup and handle pattern. But it's a 35 million float stock. Heavy, heavy, heavy. Thick, 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 thick. Only 7 million volume. Only 7 million volume. RSI is overheating somewhat. It's going to need some gasolina to keep going up because it's a heavily floated stonk. A heavily floated stonk. SIF moved earlier in the morning. SIF moved earlier in the morning on very light volume. It is stacked in a bullish type of a pattern. It does have news that the company reported a year-over-year increase in Q1 financial results, but there's not a heck of a lot of volume. Only 520,000 shares. You can see it in our custom scanner right over here that we're sharing with you from our Discord community. Make sure you go ahead and take the 4-day trial for the Discord community by clicking the link in the description or in the pinned comment, and you will have access to the market mover scanner with the volume and float indicated, available pre-market, regular hours, and after hours. We also have the breakout scanner that monitors for stocks that are setting up for parabolic breakouts, and of course the early watch list that we put out every single evening at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Monday through Friday, we put out an early watch list for the next day, and it almost always has 1, 2, 3, or 4 parabolic runners. Like, for example, yesterday's early watch list for today had RENX. Well, RENX is up now 61%. It was up even more earlier in the day. And of course, QNCX, which ran yesterday, also ran today to around 100%. So that was also listed. And of course, MNTN, which is currently up 40 some odd percent, was also an early watch list last night for today. So go ahead and click that link and let us know that you joined through the show. You saw us on the show. The show. Why not? STIM, let's go take a look at it. STIM, let's take a look at it. STIM is also bullish. The 9 EMA is above the volume weighted average, right? Wait, hold on. Let's refresh this because this looks like the same chart. Let's go. Let's make sure. Oh, no, it wasn't the same chart. There you go. It was not. STIM is bullish in the sense that the 9 EMA is above the volume weighted average, but you could see it double topped over here. So I'm concerned that the price action is going to go down. RSI is neutral. Volume candles are low, but here's the good news. There's still 21 minutes before the power hour. Still that much time. It's a heavy floated stock, though. 37 million float and only 20 million in rotation, currently up 32%. Let's go back up to the leading gainer doubles. Let's go back to DXST. That little Dickens moved like a Dickens, bruh. It moved like a Dickens. Look at this doubles. Look at this. I'm going to get the graffiti pencil activated on DXST. Is it going to give me an A, B, C, D? Will it give me an A, B, C, D bull pattern? Will it? Let's see. Let's see if we can get that. Hold on. Let's get the graffiti pencil. We got A to B. Ha, 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 ha. B to C. Ha, 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 ha. And then we got the C to D. Ha, 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 ha. Who was that guy? Was that the Dracula guy from, what was he, Count Dracula? The Count from Sesame Street, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I remember, bruh. And what was the other guy? Mr. Doodles? Mr. Noodles. Yeah. He and I, we go way back, me and him, you know? Then you had Elmo. Tickle me, Elmo. No, I don't want to be tickled, bruh. I hate being tickled. I don't like it. I don't like it, Doubles. I don't like it at all. It bothers me. I tell you. Come on, can we get an ABCD pattern on DXST? Can we? Please. It's my birthday. Please. Share it up. We're at 1,341 folks. Let's get to 1,400, 1,500. We need to see DXST hold that 40-cent mark, that 40-cent resistance and support area. Significant. We're getting closer to power hour. Doubles, we're getting closer to power hour, so we'll see what happens. Let's go in for one more game as we let the stonk simmer on high heat. And then we'll check the stonks out. Let's see if we get another victory royale. Doubles. 3 victory royales in a row and a second place. But second place don't count. Because you know what? We're lost. We're lost, bruh. We lost, but it was second place. I should have won that, bro. I didn't play it right. I didn't play it right, I tell you. I got stuck in that freaking window. That kind of pissed me off. I should have never gave up that high ground. I shouldn't have done that. That was a mistake. Remember when I built my little platform over there, bro? Uh-oh. Double top. Uh-oh. BXST. Come on. Get above 40 cents. Come on. Oh, no. RSI is giving up on us. Let's go to NCI. Let's go to NCI. Let's see what NCI is doing. NCI. NCI. Let's go. Bearish, bearish, bearish. RENX, RENX. Bearish, bearish. Whoop, whoop, whoop. HTLM. HTLM under the VWAP. MNTN, MNTN. All right, MNTN with a cup and handle doubles. Cup and handle. Cup and handle. MNTN. 35 million float. That's the only problemo. The float is kind of juicy. It's kind of heavy. It's kind of heavy, doubles. It's kind of heavy. Let's get that shit party. Let's get the 1400. We're at 1375. Let's share it up, folks. I believe y'all can fly. All right, where we going, doubles? Let's go over here. Let's go to my usual landing spot right there. Let's do it. Let's do it. Gonna have a little bit of coffee. Get a little energized. Get a little activated, motivated, inspirated. Is that a word, doubles? Inspirated? I got inspiration. Right? So if you got inspiration, you're inspirated. Bro, I see a blue chest over here, bro. I'm a little high for it, though. I'm going to take it, though. Watch, it'll be a pistol, bro. You know it's going to be something corny, right, bro? I know it. I know it. Always like that. You know, you get all excited because there's a blue chest, blah, 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 and then it's a pistol. No, bro. No, bro. No, it's not a pistol, bro. No, no, it's an AR. But not the AR I want, but it's an AR. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it, bro. All right, all right, all right. All right, let's get this. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. I need some shield, bro. I need shield doubles. Doubles, I need shield doubles. I need... Ooh-wee! Ooh-wee! Shield! 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 No shield? Shield. Come on, shield, shield, shield. You know what? I don't want this stinking Oni mask. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I know you love that mask, bro. But that's only because you love everything Japanese. Japon. I don't like it, bro. I'll be honest with you. I don't like it. I don't care for it, bro. Oh, it's not... Wait a minute. Didn't you tell me it was Japanese?
Yeah, masks are. That's a professional mask. That's show, I think.
The Koreans have those masks too? I didn't know that.
No, just the ones in that show.
Oh, that's crazy. Well, Korea, you know, a little history. Korea used to be, like, I think, colonized or something like that by, Oh, we got an enemy here, bro. We got an enemy here, bro. We got an enemy here, bro. Where is it? Fryation, bro. A little fryation, bro. Never hurt nobody. A little frying never hurt nobody, right, bro? Right, doubles? What do you think? Why not, bro? Why not? Little fryation, bro. Can't never hurt nobody by frying them. Cook them, sizzle. Sizzle, sizzle. Nice and easy. Just like that, bro. What do you think, doubles? Was that a nice little fryation, bro? I enjoyed that. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I enjoyed that right there. I enjoyed it. Ooh-wee! Look at that. Look at that. Look at what I got over there. Oh, migration. Look, there's another Oni mask over here, bro. Another one. Another one bites the dust. Doubles. 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 I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know where we want to go with the volcano blues. Da, 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 da. You know that song, Doubles? Doubles, you know that song?
Yes.
Come on, Doubles.
Yes.
Come on, Doubles. You gotta chill with me, you know? Yeah. Yeah. Is it gonna be another heart? Nope. Triangular. It's a triangular. It's a triangle, bruh. What do we got going on over here, Doubles? Got anything over here? Ooh, little splashy splash over here. I'm not ready for that, though, bruh. I don't know, Doubles. I feel like there's somebody here, bro. What do you think, Doubles? Do you think somebody's here? I think there's somebody here. Let's see if we get a decent weapon here. How about a jetpack? No jetpack? No? No? 700 and... we need 1,500 for that. Nah, I don't want that. And I do want one of them, though. I want one of them, right, bruh? What do you think, Doubles?
Yep.
Somebody was already here. Somebody was already here, Doubles, you know? Man, they didn't really loot this place terribly well. They did not loot it terribly well, Doubles. You know, bro? They did not. They did not. They didn't loot it well, Doubles. They did not. Alright, we gotta get in, bro. Right? I hear gunfire, bro. I heard gunfire, Doubles. There's some gunfire over here, bro. Game is laggy, bro. Laggy. There's a car over here. I'm gonna go for the car, bro. What do you think, Doubles? Should I go for it?
Yes.
Get some of this ammunition. Alright, get a little ammunition. Why not? Why not? Alright, there we go. I'm gonna travel a little bit. Alright, we're gonna travel a little bit. Why not? Make our way into zone a little bit, Doubles. What do you think? Let's get that share party. We're almost at 1,600. Let's go for another one. Let's go a little bit higher than that. MNTN. Moving, MNTN. Moving. Doubles moving. Yes, sure. Moving. I'm trying to move center of the game, bro. You know? Is that a jetpack, bro? Bro, a jetpack, bro! Yes, a jetpack, bro. Jetpack. Why not, bro? Why not, bro? Enemy right there, bro. Where'd he go? He's hiding, bro. Come on, fella. I sees you. Come on, fella. Come and get me, bro. Oh, another one right there. Time to go, bro. Time to go. Too many people trying to get the coach, bro. Ain't gonna have none of that, bro. Let them battle royale themselves. What do you think, Doubles? Am I right, Doubles, or am I right? I'm going for the win, Doubles. You know? Forget about that nonsense, bro. Bada bingo! I feel like I made a mistake of giving up that MK though, you know, bro.
Yeah.
But you know what it is? There's still a lot of zone. You know what I mean? It's not tight. You know, if it's tight, the MK, you know, lasers people up close. But right now, it's not. You know what I mean? It's not like that, bro. It's not like that. It's like this, bro. Yeah, I think so. I think so. What do you think, Doubles? Am I right?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, right? Yeah. Dude, look at where I'm at, bro.
Triangle.
I think I should go over here, bro, but I don't know. That's center right there. I'm gonna wait, bro. I'm gonna wait. And then I'm gonna make a move for the center. You know what I mean, bro? Uh-huh. You know what? I'm gonna move anyway. Ooh. Dude, I almost killed myself, bro. Let's get going, bro. Look at all this loot over here. Wow. Wow. Look at all this loot, Doubles. Wow. Wow. Why not? Why not? What kind of center, right? Doubles, kind of, sort of? What kind of center? All right, it's 1,600, folks. Let's get 1,700. NCI moving. Let's put it on the chart, Doubles. Let's put NCI on the chart. Let's put NCI on the chart. Let's get this 2,000. We got 1,600 plus. Let's get to 2,000. NCI doing a little cup and handle. Cup and handle. Cup and handle, NCI. Cup and handle. Up 133%. 480,000. Float, microfloat, 59 down. 59 million shares. Yes, sir. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. NCI up 128%, forming a cup and handle. We'll have a resistance just shy of. Where do I want to be, bro? I'm just trying to think. Where do I want to be? Probably over here somewhere. I don't know, bro. I don't know. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I mean, I'm in zone. No need to rotate just yet. No need to rotate just yet. But that might be a more advantageous spot right there, Doubles, right? Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. I got height. Gonna have some coffee. Let's get a share party. Let's get a share party. NCI up 126%. DXST knocked out of the leading gainer position, still up 102%. 102%, 35 cent joint right now, 35 cent. It made it up to 45 cent. Y'all saw it. Y'all saw it on the stream earlier. Let's get that share party. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel at Coach Nick Money. Make sure you're following us on x.com at Coach Nick Money. Somebody's here. Somebody's shooting there by the coach, bro. Oh, you know where they're shooting at? They're shooting at the range over there by the carnival. That's what they're doing. They're probably trying to get some weapons and stuff. That's what I'm thinking. Kind of out of where I want to be. It's like it's not in zone. Whatever. It don't matter. It don't matter none. Sometimes you got to be tactical, you know? There's 4 enemies left. I want to see where the zone takes us. Let's get a share party. Let's get to 2,000. We're watching NCI forming a bull cup and handle. It's a micro float, 480,000 shares. Currently, 60 million volume. The rotation is 120x the float, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. QVC, dude, that's that channel. QVC, GP. Though that's like the QVC. That's the shopping network on TV, right? Ain't that? Yeah. That stock is up like 115%.
NCI 132%.
132%. Moving, grooving, shaking and baking. Come on now. Bottom tail green. RSI is heating up. Volume candles are coming in. We are 2 minutes away from the power hour, doubles. The power hour is right around the corner. All right, doubles. I am going to wait a little bit. I'm going to be tactical. I'm going to be tactical, doubles. Whatever. You say strategic, I say tactical.
No.
Tactical. Strategic. I'm going to be all right. Whatever. Strategic. Is that the word you want me to say? Man, you're like a word. You know, a word. All right, we're going down, doubles, down. All right. Where we want to be. This is not where I want to be. I don't want to be here. Ooh, what's this, doubles? What is that, doubles? What is that? There we go. Doubles. Where are the enemies, bro? Where are the enemies? Where are they at? Let's get a share party. Consistency wants us to check out DUOL and CART. We'll do that right after the game is over here. We're watching currently NCI moving up 138%, doubles. It hit a high of $1.90. It hit a high of $1.90 already, doubles, as it moves up 143%. Let's go. Let's get it on. Let's get it on. Oh man, look at this zone is tiny as freak, bro. Bro, this zone is tiny as freakazoid, bro. All right, we gotta move, bro. All right. Where they at, bro? Where they at, bro? Bro, where they at? Where are they at, bro? Yep, DUOL, and he wants CART, both of them. We'll check them out. Oh my, dude, $2.22, 184%. NCI, y'all saw the cup and handle breakout right here on stream, baby. Let's get that shit party. Share it up, share it up, share it up. I love the sound of Parabolics. Whoop, whoop. The sound of Parabolics. Whoop, whoop. The sound of making money. Whoop, whoop. Let's go, baby. Whoop, whoop. We're going to get a victory royale. Whoop, whoop. Come on now. Let's get that victory royale as we watch the illustrious one, NCI, moving, and being shamexy. Why not? Why not? Why not? Doubles, why not? Oh, my gracious, bro. Oh, my great. Dude, look at me. I'm smack in the middle, bro. I can't believe there's still 5 people in this lobby, bro. This lobby's taking forever. Power hour is officially on, 3:02 in the afternoon, and our NCI is Parabolic. I think it halted, bro. I think it halted. RSI is we got some shooting going on over here. Somebody just got eliminated. I'm not gonna bite, bro. I got a great position right here, bro. Oh, not anymore, I don't. Not anymore, I don't. Not anymore, I don't, bro. Oh, right there, bro. Right over here, somebody's trying to sneak up on me, bro. Gosh. Ah, dude. I had the wrong weapon in me. Doubles. I had the wrong weapon, bro. Hey! Let's check it out. D-U-O-L. D-U-O-L. Okay, it is got. Ooh, that's a pricey one. It's a pricey one. Let's give it some. Let's give it some Fibonacci retracements right over here, right there. A little Fibonacci retracement. Okay, we need the 9 EMA to get above the volume weighted average. Volume weighted average is at about $110.63. We need to see the 9 EMA curl. RSI is going to need some volume. We are in power hour, so hopefully some volume will come in. First resistance will be the volume weighted average at 110 and then 110.63. And then the next resistance would be Fibonacci level at approximately $112.70. It needs volume love, currently up down 9%. Duolingo Inc. Class A stock. RSI needs to curl. That would be an indicator that it's moving up. We need to see some volume. It's still early in power hours, so may the volume gods bless Duel for consistency. Let's go check out CART for consistency. Let's go check it out. CART, same type of situation, except this one's in a little bit better shape in the sense that the 9 EMA and the price action is just above the volume weighted average. It does need volume as well. RSI is insignificant at this point. No indication of buyers or sellers taking over. Volume candles are still low, but we are in power hour, so hopefully volume will kick off. And if it does, here are some key levels of resistance and support with the Fibonacci retracement. Here we go. So right here would be a support area at around $33.30. Obviously, the volume weighted average at 33.41 and the 9 EMA at the same level. Our support areas, resistance would be at 33.71, and then further resistance would be at around $34. It can stand for some volume love. It needs some volume love during power hour. Maple Bear is the stock that consistency was asking about. Let's go back to DXST, see what's going on with DXST. DXST had a nice little run. It failed at at achieving an ABCD pattern, had significant resistance at 45 cents. Now it's formed a head and shoulders bear pattern as it pulled back to the 9 EMA, but it's still holding above the 9 EM, the volume weighted average, which is good. It's actually just below the 35-cent Fibonacci level. So if it can get some volume and we see the RSI curl, baby curl, maybe this can become a descending wedge bull reversal. That's what we're hoping for. Currently up still 98%, 98%. QVC, the television shopping network thing, right? I'm pretty sure that's what that is. GP. Right? It's a preferred stock of QVC. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. It's below VWAP. It needs to get above VWAP. The 9 EMA is dipping downward, and the RSI also looks like it's dipping downward, so that's not good, but it's currently up 103%. Maybe some volume could come in. That would be nice, and we could see a curl, baby curl, but right now, not particularly schmexy without that curlation. You know what I mean? RENX, let's check it out. RENX, breaking that downtrend. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. Also, follow us on X.com, aka Twitter at Coach Nick Money. Facebook, Instagram, Threads, and Twitch at Coach Money. And TikTok, Tiki at DBLNix. At DBLNICKS, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money. Ladies and gentlemen, also go ahead and take advantage of the 4-day trial that we're giving for our Discord community for $9.99. You will not only have an amazing Discord community, access to us to conversate with, but in addition to that, more importantly, we spent a tremendous amount of money, time, and effort to hone in tools that are important to you as a trader. For example, we provide numerous scanners in the Discord. You're looking at one of the scanners that we provide that we're sharing with you from the Discord, from the private Discord. You can see it right now on the left-hand side. This is our market mover scanner, which provides both volume and float, which is important. A lot of scanners don't give you the float. They only give you the volume. So there's no way of knowing what the rotation of volume to float is. And that's really important because you want to know what demand that there is on the supply of the stock, which is the float. In addition to that, our scanners operate pre-market, regular hours, and after hours. A lot of scanners don't do that. And on top of that, we have hyperlinks right there for those stocks that are moving, so you can take a look at what the news is. Is there a press release? Is there shelf registration that can cause dilution? All that kind of stuff. We also have 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, everything and anything having to do with the news of stocks. We have a news feed for all the entire stock market. Okay, we've put a lot of time and effort to provide these tools for our community. We have search features available so that if you're interested in a particular stock and you want to know what the last batch of filings and the last press releases are, you have access to that as well. You also have access to information. You also have access to information pertaining to what we're looking at, what we're interested in. We share with you our ideas. Obviously, you always have to make your own decisions, your own due diligence. You got to be smart about it. We have a lot of educational content as well. On top of that, you're watching NCI, which we were talking about as a cup and handle just earlier today, and it broke out. It's currently up 243%, baby. That's what's up, and we saw it on our scanners right here. So go ahead and take advantage of the 4-day trial right now. Take advantage of it. Click the link in the description and in the pinned comment and get yourself in there. We also have the early watch list, which is off the hook. It comes out at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday, where we give an early watch list for the next day for our community. And we almost always have 1, 2, 3, or 4 stocks that end up going absolutely parabolic. 2 days ago, we gave out QNCX at 19 cents. Today, it went up to about $1. Thank you very much, Stubbles. I'm just saying. And right now, we're looking at NCI going absolutely parabolic. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the show. I want to thank you so much for everything that you do. I hope you got a lot of laughs out of the show, but more importantly, I hope you learned a little something from the information that we are imparting with you. Make sure you educate yourself. Knowledge is power. Trading is not easy. It's not easy. Despite what gurus may say, it's not easy. So make sure you're constantly educating yourself and broadening your horizons. I want y'all to all achieve your goals and aspirations and dreams. I want you to be inspirational to others, because you know what? It's a lot more fun making money and having a good time with other folks. I'm just saying. I call y'all indelibles. You know why? Because I want you to leave your mark, and I want your mark to be unerasable, baby. AKA aka Indelibles. You guys are amazing. We want to thank you for everything that you do. I hope you guys appreciate what we do. Much love. Be green.